Did you know that if you're in Canada and you want to learn to talk Jamaican, you have to go to York University? And in the United States, it's Harvard University that's teaching the Jamaican patois. But you don't have to go to all that problem to learn my beautiful language. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me regularly as I talk to you in patois and then give you an idea in English what I just said. You will be helped if you get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. It's written by me, Joan Williams. I'm trying to make these lessons as interesting as possible for you because I know that you would really love to chat like me. Papa Jesus, it really gone for true? Me God, me can't believe it. Me have to make sure say 2020 really done because me never see a year so horrible. And master, it take long for done, you see. You see when other year they bout, as January come, Christmas come, the year done. That year we are just couldn't done. Me gosh. You know what make it so bad? A the dirty virus. You can't see it, but it mash up everybody life in the world. It put we in a one big prison. We feel like we are in a prison. And millions of people dead, you know. Oh, who not dead? They end up in a hospital for a month. They can't move, they can't see their family. Me sorry for them. You know me sorry for too? Picnic couldn't get to go school. You remember when you picnic, you did love go school, go ramp with your friend? Nah, so for almost a year, the picnic them can't go school. And you know, if me did have to sit down and learn on computer, me that done as bad, you know, because me couldn't learn nothing on computer. But are the people all over the world, you see them on the news at night time, them are line up for food. The amount of millions of people who will lose their little work if they can give them picnic 1 meal a day, they're lucky. No, master. That area dread. But you know what good? As the year come, for done, the vaccine arrive and it look like it can really get rid of this thing next year. So I think next year going to be good when it comes to the virus. Although I don't know, master, they say one other type of the virus they bout. But and only the virus did bad in 2020, you know. You know how much other good people did? The one that bust me up though, or the one Chad Webb act as Black Panther. Me love the little youth, you know. Oh no. And he did so young. Me never, but the poor good about the boy, my dead from cancer, he must suffer. And yet him doing work and he no make nobody know say him in a pain. Me afraid of pain, you know. Lord, that's a little pain juke me so me start ball. And the boy they in a pain. And him a act. And him a go on, and him go visit all picnic who have cancer and nobody no know so the cancer kill him. Me ball when me hear say me love him Black Panther. Oh no. But you know, although 2020 did bad, them have couple things that good but happen like say at least they come in with a vaccine. But you know the best thing what happened in 2020? No, the American them vote out Trump. What a man, master. Me never see a president like this in my life. But then vote him out. But me he say, no, come out. But he have to come out. But you know, what me afraid about, he has some million of people that support him, you know. And I know him mad, but when you not call the million of people support them double mad. And enough of them have gone. So the thing is, all black people who come to America have to watch them back because them, the Trump people, don't like black people and the whole of them have gone. Anyway, at least the American people then come to their sense and vote him out. And with Bob Marley, they say, every little thing gonna be alright. So, I know say 2021 going to be a great year for the whole of Uno. Uno go get on a book talk Jamaican. Because me want go and reason with you know for the rest of 2021. It's on Amazon, man. Go, just call them and order it and get it. And walk good in a 2021. Hi, I can't believe 2020 finally came to a close. What a terrible year it has been for all of us. It's as if the whole world has been in a big prison. And so many people have died from this virus that nobody can see. And who haven't died, many, many millions have been made ill. But you know what really is terrible too? Is the millions of people who lost their work and can't even feed their children. I see people talking about not even being able to give their children one good meal per day. And the children have really had it very bad because they have not been able to go to school. They have been isolated from their friends and family. And having to learn on computer, that's not easy at all. You know, it's so much better when they are able to interact. If I had to learn by computer, I don't think I would be too literate at all. But you know, what really, apart from the virus that tore my heart out in 2020, was the death of Chad Black Panther. What a lovely young man. He had so much kindness in his heart that he was visiting children with cancer, but nobody knew that he too was being devastated by the disease. Because no matter how much pain he was under, he kept doing his job and acting. He brought us a lot of pride. I cried when I heard he had died. Oh boy, I tell you, life is so unfair. But you know, some good things happened in 2020. The main thing being that they found a vaccine. Thank heavens that will control the terrible virus. I hope, although we hear it has mutated, we can only hope for the best. And the best thing that really happened was that the Americans came to their senses and voted out Donald Trump. That man was something else. But you know what is really amazing is that there are so many millions of Americans who supported him. I don't think he was a sane person, but what would you call the millions who followed him blindly? And you know, the dangerous thing is, when he leaves, they'll be around, and many are armed. So us black people, we have to be very, very careful when we go to the United States of America in 2021. Anyway, as Bob Marley said, every little thing is going to be all right. So I know you and your family will do well in 2021. All the best. Get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com. Let's continue to reason and talk to each other. Have a wonderful year. Happy New Year in 2021.